Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Kuna app shows the camera online so you know if a reset is necessary. Unplug the camera's power cable for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to clear transient faults. Once done, open the Kuna app and keep your Wi-Fi name and password at hand. Use 4 GHz because the camera often rejects 5 GHz. This initial power cycle frequently resolves LED and connectivity issues before deeper resets are required. Next, perform the factory reset to address persistent LED or firmware glitches. You'll find a reset button or pinhole on the camera. Press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes or shows a color change to indicate reset mode. Then, make sure the app is ready and follow the on-screen setup steps to re-add the device. Doing this erases local settings but restores default firmware state, which often corrects light behavior caused by corrupted configs. Finish by confirming the LED responds correctly and that live view and motion events work, because the indicator reflects system health. Make sure to check and install any firmware update in the Kuna app. Updates fix known LED bugs. If the light remains off, try a different compatible power adapter to rule out voltage issues and reboot again. If that fails, contact Kuna support with your serial number and steps already taken so they can escalate a hardware repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.